Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send a payment request on Wise. First of all, log into your Wise account. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left hand side and click on Recipients. If you haven't added the recipient yet, the first thing you need to do is click on the Add Recipient button. This will bring up a screen where you can select their currency. Let's say British pound. You can search for the recipient by their Wise tag, email, or phone number. Alternatively, you can manually enter their bank details. Once you have added the recipient, click on their name. Then select the Request button. Enter the amount and currency you want to request, and you can also add a note if you'd like. Finally, click Send Request. And that's it. It's done. Thanks for joining us today. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our channel.